Nakaramdam na ba kayo mga kapatid na parang nilalagpas-lagpasan lang kayo ng ibang tao? Nakaramdam na ba kayo mga kapatid na kayo pinag-uusapan ng ibang tao? They look over you, they pass by you, hindi ka nila iniimbitahan. Ayaw ka nilang masama sa group nila, ayaw ka nilang masama sa mga team nila. Parang hindi sila nagmamalasakit sa'yo kahit gusto mong i-include ang sarili mo because you're craving for acceptance. People are rejecting you because they have concluded in their mind, okay ka naman siguro. Because sometimes mga kapatid, we put our trust, we put our faith to these people na akala nating tutulong sa atin. Nilalagay natin yung ating pagtitiwala sa mga pastors natin, sa mga church volunteers natin, sa mga priests and Levites ng church. And we don't understand that even the pastors and the leaders sometimes cannot help you. That people will let you down. That time will come, mga kapatid, that you will realize that people will reject you. Yes, I say that again. People will let you down. People will reject you, but hey, Jesus will accept you. Jesus will stop kahit ang ibang tao dadaan-daanan ka lang. People will look over you, but Jesus found you. Ang mga tao nilalagpas-lagpasan ka na lang, but Jesus stopped for you. They don't want you, but Jesus welcomes you open arms. You have to understand, mga kapatid, na kapag lagi nating nilalagay yung ating pananampalataya sa mga tao, madi-disappoint, mapoprostrate tayo. Kasi even the best of us sometimes cannot help us. Ayaw kanila, they don't want to include you, but Jesus died for you. Hindi sila naging tapat sa'yo, pero ang Diyos laging tapat sa'yo. Hindi kanila in-invite, pero ang Diyos, He welcomed you. They don't like you, but Jesus loves you.